Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Victorium ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit. Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Ka Office Jong Divisional Forest Officer Social Forestry Division Joai mentakasngi ka arpu santrik unai leber arajar arpuway kala penlong ye ka State Level Seminar and Workshop nagbenta ka West Gentia bat ka East Gentia Hills District ban ye theriatai halor kumno ban penne pensa ye ki dawai kenbat ha ki khlau ki ptam bat ye ki ding ki se bat ki wei de ki jajing thong ki badan hapne ka mai mariang Hagani gijing ye theriatai ka balalong ha District Library Auditorium Joai lawan ban ye shimbentar ki nongrep bat ki nong sumar dawai kenbat ha ka ba Divisional Forest Officer jong ka Gentia Hills Division UR nainamalai ulalong kumkwongsan Kireu Shempang ki balaai ye gijing batay banya hagani gijing ye theriatai kilong u Thomas Yangjo ubalong u Junior Scientist jong ka Bioresource Development Center Shillong u Dr. H.C. Pakanten ubalong President jong ka Gentia Indigenous Medicine Association u ba S. Suting Ubaday u consultant jong ka Meghalaya State Medicinal Plans Board Shillong but u Dr. K. Makdo ubalong u assistant professor jong ka Lady Keen's College Shillong.
Dapat orang ini berkawan dengan itu, orang tahu dulu berdiri sisa berdiri dulu siapa dunia buat kembar. Orang tahu dulu berdiri sisa orang lain buat kembar. Karena susu orang berdiri sini kami mengapa berdoa dengan kerja mengapa pun. Tapi orang berdiri sini siapa orang makan kuat kita berdiri dan ini apa yang kita terima kita. Jika ni kita mungkin bagi warna ni ditip itu di orang bersisa berdiri dan semua sisa berdiri buat kembar. Orang ini kadang katakan kemudian kapli mana yang kita kerja Kami lakukan kebenaran dan keselamatan. Karena berkunjung kami ke kapal.
And in the day, so during my childhood time, here I want to share some of the other medicines which traditionally be used in southern India. Like during my childhood time, whenever there is cut wounds. So that time they use some dried up, my mother used to give some crush some leaves and put that extract from that leaves. So it will be cured within 2-3 days. And also even if you use the ointment, that gives some black patches or something like that, but this will become normal skin like, or once the wound gets cured. That species name Trichoderma but I don't know what is the name here. But this is normally available on the as a